Fake news was prevalent in the 2016 presidential election. President Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton faced off in a furious election to see who was going to become the 45th President of the United States. According to a recent study of adults, only 13.8% said that they obtained their news about the 2016 presidential election from social media. So this begs the question, why did social media play such an important role in the 2016 election? That can be answered by the number of fake news websites that were spread around. That number is significantly larger than any other time in a presidential election. Based off the chart, we can see that most of the visits to the fake news websites were from social media. Places like Twitter and Facebook are prime social media platforms where absolutely anyone can post almost anything they want to. Because Facebook and Twitter are so popular, it has become a place for most of the developed and connected world to see posts from people all over the world. Fake news is believed to be from people that are affiliated with the opposite party group to spread rumors and lies about their opponent so that their candidate and party can win the election. This chart shows the number of people that recalled seeing and believing the fake news during the campaign cycle. The first problem is, how do we stop the spread of fake news? According to the article, almost all of the fake news websites were taken down right after they were started, but that still did not help the problem. If a story on Facebook or Twitter made it viral, there was no way to stop the circulation of that story, and then it just continues to pick up traction like a snowball rolling down a hill. Did the use of fake news and social media help President Donald Trump win over key swing states? The answer to that question is yes. Fake news websites and articles that were spread about during the campaign cycle played a key role in the president winning over swing states. It has been said that because of all the fake news articles that the Democrats were throwing around pushed some middle-of-the-road liberal citizens to vote in favor of Donald Trump. The next question that needed to be answered is how many people were exposed to the fake news stories during the election cycle, and that is hard to answer because there is no way to be able to gauge that. The data turns out that 0.64 impressions per adult from Facebook and Twitter alone. That gives some idea to how many impressions each adult received. Because of those impressions, it showed in the election that the fake news that was spread about Donald Trump was not viewed as real, and therefore it pushed middle-of-the-road citizens to vote more right-wing than left. Donald Trump won the 2016 presidential election by a wide margin because of how fake news was portrayed during the campaign cycle. He is now our 45th President of the United States.